Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to solve day 15 problem of this month on Leetcode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now, without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today I'm going to solve problem number 860, laminate change. Okay, so let's read the problem statement first. So at a laminate stand, each laminate costs $5 only. Okay, customers are standing in a queue to buy from you and order one at a time in the order specified by bills. Okay, so this is nothing but my customer number 1, customer number 2, customer number 3, customer number 4, customer number 5. Okay, so all these customers are standing in a queue, okay, in a line. Each customer will only buy one laminate and pay with either a $5, $10 or $20. Okay, so all the customers have just this much amount. Okay, either they have $5 cash or $10 cash or $20 cash. Okay, you must provide the correct change to each customer so that the net transaction is that the customer pays just $5. Okay, so this customer is giving us just $5, so we are good. Just $5 we are good. Just $5 we are good. This customer is paying us $10. Okay, so we have to provide him the change of $5, right? This customer is giving us $20, so we have to provide him the change for $15, right? This is what we need to do. Okay, because the laminate cost is just $5 only. Okay, note that you do not have any change in hand at first. Okay, initially I don't have any change in my hand. Okay, I can only collect the change as given by the customers one by one. Okay, so given an integer array bills where bills of I is the bill the ith customer pays, we have to return true if you can provide every customer with a correct change or a false otherwise. Okay, so now let's understand this problem with this example number 1. Okay, so right now initially I don't have any change. Okay, now first customer comes. Okay, and he pays me $5. Okay, so now I have $5 with me. Okay, then next customer comes. Okay, so this is first customer. Then next customer comes and he pays me $5. Okay, I have another $5 bill with me. Then the next person comes and he pays me $5. Okay, so now I have another $5 with me. Okay, now next customer comes. Okay, here next customer comes, customer number 4, and he pays me $10. Okay, but laminate cost is just $5. Okay, so I have to provide him the change, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if I have $5 cash with me. Can I provide him $5 change? Yes, I can provide him $5 change. I have three $5 bills with me, right? So I can satisfy this customer. I can give him one $5 bill back. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. So I am just going to remove this $5 from here. Okay, because I have paid this $5 to my customer number 4. Okay, now the next customer comes, customer number 5. Okay, so here let's suppose customer number 5 comes and he pays me $20. Okay, now I have to provide him I have two options now. I can provide him three $5 bills. Okay, because I have to return him $15 now, so I can give him three $5 bills, or I can give him one $10 bill. Okay, one $10 bill and one $5 bill. Okay, these two are the options with me, right? So here if I choose to give him just this three $5 bill, then I can't satisfy him, right? Then I can't satisfy him because with me only two $5 bills are available. Okay, so I have to become greedy here. First I need to see if I have any $10 cash with me. Yes, I have one $10 cash with me. Okay, so let's do that. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to pay this customer number 5 one $10 cash. Okay, because I have one $10 cash with me, right? So here I am just going to remove this $10 cash. Okay, I have paid him but $10. Now remaining amount is $5. So I have two $5 bills, right? So I can pay him one more $5 bill. Okay, now I am left with just single $5, right? So I have paid him $15 back. Okay, so now all the customers are satisfied, right? All the customers are satisfied. Okay, so this is what we need to check. Oh, if all the customers are satisfied, we have to turn true. Okay, so from the first three customers we collect three $5 bills in order. from the fourth customer we collect a $10 bill and give back a $5. Okay, from the fifth customer we give a $10 bill and a $5 bill. Okay, since all the customers got correct change, we output true, right? So here important thing, we have to become greedy. Okay, if we have $10 available with us, then let's first return the $10. Okay, I can't directly share this $5 bill with the customers. Okay, even though it is available, let's suppose $3 are available with me. But why do I need to waste my $5 if I have one $10 directly? I can give him directly now, right? So this is more advantage to us now. If I have two $5, let's suppose I have two $5 or I have one $10. Okay, so this is more advantage. This is going to give me more advantage to me, right? Let's suppose there is one customer and he pays me $10. Okay, let's suppose this is customer name A. Okay, and he pays me $10. Let's suppose before A there was one customer who paid me $20. Okay, let's suppose $20. Okay, and I have three $5 with me and one $10 with me. Okay, so let's suppose with this customer who pays me $20, I gave him all these $5 with me. I gave him all the $5 available with me. Okay, so now I'm not left with any $5, but I'm left with one $10. Okay, and next customer comes and he pays me $10. Then now I don't have any bill. I can't give him any change. Okay, so in this case I will give the output as false, right? Because I don't have any $5 bill. So my ideal case should be, if before A, if any customer gives me $20 bill, then I will just give him one $10 bill and one $5 bill. Okay, then this customer will be satisfied. And if next customer comes and he give me $10, then I can give him this $5. Okay, then both are satisfied. Okay, so I have to become greedy. Okay, so if $10 is available with me, I'm going to spend that first. Okay, then I will go to $5. Okay, so this is important point. Okay, so now I'm going to write the same code. Okay, whatever I have explained here. Okay, but I hope that you guys are clear with what we are doing here. Okay, so here this is my code. So code is also going to be very easy. So here let's calculate the count of all the 5s that we have. So initially the count of 5 is 0 and initially count of 10 is also 0. Okay, and one more thing here, we are only getting $5, $10 or $20 bill from the customers. Okay, so I have to just keep track of the count of 5s and 10 only. Okay, because I'm not going to give a change of 20 to anyone. Okay, so then after that let's run one for loop. Int I is equal to 0, I is less than bills dot length I plus plus, and here inside this, if I'm going to check if bills of I value is equal to 5, then in that case I have to increment the count of 5, and in that case I don't need to provide any change to anyone. Okay, and in the else condition I am going to check if bills of I value is equal to 10. Okay, so in that case I have to provide one change, right, of 5. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to check here, I'm going to check if count of 5 is greater than 0. Okay, then in that case I can simply provide one change of 5 na? So here count of 5 value will be decremented if I provide, but if this condition is not satisfied, then I am simply going to return false. That's it. Okay, so now in the else part, if any customer provides me $20 bill, so first I have to become greedy. I have to check if count underscore 10 is greater than 0. Okay, and here I am also going to check if count underscore 5 is also greater than 0. Okay, then I can provide one $10 and one $5 bill, right? So here if I do this, then my count of underscore 10 will be decremented and my count of underscore 5 will be decremented, right? So this is what's going to happen. Okay, and in the else part I'm going to check if I don't if this condition is not satisfied. Okay, let's hope if count underscore 10 is not greater than 0. Okay, then I'm just going to check as if count underscore 5 is greater than 2. Okay, simply means that if I have three $5 cash with me, okay, then my count underscore 5 will be decremented by 3. Okay, count underscore 5 minus 3. Okay, that's it. And in the else part, if this is not satisfied, then just simply return false. Okay, so that's it. And in the end, here my for loops end. In the end, if every customer is satisfied, then we are just going to return true. Okay, so now let's run the code and see if there are any code issues. Okay, so here, okay, here we missed this. Now let's run it again. Okay, so I think there are some issues. Let's try to fix them. Okay, so here bills of I is equal to 5, then I am incrementing the count. Here I am checking if bills of I is equal to 10, then I am check. Okay, here if bills of I is equal to 10, I have to increment the count of 10 as well. Now why I am not incrementing that? Okay, I have to increment the count of $10 bill. Okay, so that's the mistake here. Okay, now all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it, and the time complexity for this problem is going to be O of n, since we are iterating over all the builds one by one, okay, in this for loop, right? So you can see the time complexity from here. So it is going to be O of n. So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you.